Hello, today I'm going to go over the MT120 service features. We've got one here. Starting at the top, you have the radiator coolant bottle fill is up on top here. And then also the radiator fill itself are up on top here. This model has a variable speed electric fan motor for the hydraulic and the engine coolant. Kind of look around inside the engine. If you look down below here is the starter. We got our alternator. Way up front here in the corner, way up in here is the fuel filter. That's accessible. If you have the lift arms up, you can take this panel off and get right at it. Or the MT120 also features all of this outside panel will come apart or come off the machine so you can get at it. The engine belt is a slip belt so that there's no adjustment, just need for replacement and condition check. As you walk around, like I said, all of the side panels here do come off so you can get at everything a lot easier. Your diesel fill. This has two oil fill locations, so you can fill it in either position, doesn't matter. Here's the dipstick for the engine oil. And then down on this side, I don't know if you can see it down in there, that right about down there is the primer bulb for when it runs out. If it runs out of fuel, you can also access that from the side panel. Loosen this cover and open it up, and you can reach in and squeeze the primer bulb to get the machine running. So we walk around, come up to the operator platform, open up this cubby area for the hydraulic oil fill. Here's the hydraulic oil fill and the hydraulic breather cap, 12-volt power port, a little cubby, and then your operator's and maintenance manual is in the compartment here. So we back up and go down. You can see that the hydraulic tank is right behind the operator platform. You can see that this has a sight gauge on it to tell you what level the hydraulic oil is at. Within the level, it's good. Okay, this one's good. Then we'll go down into the tailgate area. You've got your fuse box with all of your fuses. There's only one fuse center on this machine. You've got your air filter. Your air filter minder up there in the back, the battery, the hydraulic oil filter. On this model, it's important the hydraulic tank is up here, so when you do replace the hydraulic filter without replacing the oil, you need to clamp off the hoses to prevent all of the oil from escaping, so that's kind of an important tip. The MT120, the maintenance interval for the filter is 500 hours, and the interval for the hydraulic fluid itself is 1,000 hours, so there will be a time when you will need to clamp off those hoses to change the filter.